Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix auto brightness not working on your Samsung S26 Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the settings and enable and disable adaptive brightness again. So scroll down until you see display. Now here in the display, if your adaptive brightness is turned off, turn it on, then turn it off again and turn it on. So this is a quick restart. Now what we're gonna do next is we're gonna grab a microfiber cloth or something that you can clean your ambient light sensor near the front camera. So I got the microfiber cloth. Of course, we're gonna be cleaning right up top here, and we want to make sure that it is shiny. Now after we thoroughly clean, I can easily put the phone back, and now what we can do is restart the phone to refresh the sensor. So to restart the phone, you need to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. After that, you will see power menu. Let's tap restart and tap again to restart the phone. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what you guys want to do as a last resort is check for software updates. So we're gonna go over and open up the settings. Now we need to wait for the phone to turn back on. Let's go to the settings, and here in the settings, we're gonna scroll down until we see the software update. After that, we're just clicking check for updates, and we wanna make sure that we are on the latest version. As you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of the software, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.